At Medikonda Nutrients, every ingredient begins with purpose. The journey begins at carefully selected farms, where Mucuna Pruriens is cultivated under sustainable and traceable agricultural practices. Fresh, healthy plants are monitored throughout their growth cycle, and only fully matured, naturally dried, Mucuna Pruriens plants are harvested. From these, seeds that meet our internal quality specifications are selected to move forward in the processing stage. This initial quality checkpoint ensures a clean and reliable starting material. The selected seeds then undergo a comprehensive cleaning cycle to remove dust and surface impurities. To enhance safety and usability, the seeds are subjected to controlled thermal treatment. This step helps reduce naturally occurring anti-nutritional factors while preserving functional bioactives. Following thermal processing, the material is dried under carefully managed temperature and airflow conditions. Controlled drying stabilizes moisture levels and prepares the seeds for efficient milling. Once dried, the seeds are finely milled using food-grade grinding technology. The result is a smooth, consistent Mucuna Pruriens powder suitable for nutraceutical formulations. The powder is then standardized through precision sieving to ensure uniform particle size and consistent performance across applications. To ensure safety and purity, the powder undergoes sterilization to eliminate microbial contaminants while preserving nutritional value. Every batch is rigorously tested for heavy metals, microbial safety, and nutritional value in our quality control process, ensuring it meets our international quality standards. Finally, our organic Mucuna Pruriens powder is transferred to the packing and storage area and then exported to all over the world. We offer contract manufacturing and private labeling options, packed in pouches, canisters, and in the form of capsules and tablets. Nurturing the herbs with sustainable practices, food safety, consistent quality assurance, with no use of pesticides, with a bit of love and care. We are Medikonda Nutrients.